In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your Hostinger website, and we'll complete this process in just about 5 minutes. If you've recently encountered issues with your website and need to restore it to a previous working state, this guide is for you. Restoring a website may sound daunting, but Hostinger provides a straightforward way to do it through their platform. Let's dive right in and step through the process together. First things first, we'll need to navigate over to the Hostinger homepage. So fire up your preferred web browser and type in Hostinger, or go directly to www.hostinger.ph. Hostinger hosts a lot of tools and options for managing your website, so it can be a one-stop shop for all your needs online. Once you're at the Hostinger homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Use the email and password associated with your Hostinger account for a seamless login process. If you happen to run into any trouble with your login information, Hostinger provides easy options for password recovery or assistance. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard, often referred to as the H panel. This is the hub for all things related to your website's maintenance and management. It's a centrally organized platform with tools laid out conveniently, so go ahead and navigate to the home page of your Hostinger account. On your dashboard, you'll see various options related to your website. Look for the option labeled Manage next to the website that you intend to restore. Clicking Manage will take you to a more detailed page dedicated to the specific website you're working on. Now you're going to click on the Files section. In website management, accessing your files is crucial, and this section grants you direct control over them. From database configurations to static content, it's all here. You're one step closer to restoring your website at this stage. Next, click on the Backups choice available within the Files section. Backups are essentially snapshots of your website, capturing everything at a specific point in time. Hostinger's interface makes it easy to see and select from available backups. This is where you'll find the version of your website that you want to restore. With these steps, you're well on your way to restoring your website. Hostinger's user-friendly setup ensures that anyone, regardless of their technical background, can navigate through this with ease. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, take care and happy website managing.